going to show you a magic. I'm going to inflate this balloon by magic. For this you will need a bottle, baking soda, vinegar, and a balloon.
Music bed.
Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching.